Have you ever wondered why there is so much of heart disease and diabetes in Sri Lanka? Well, it could be something to do with our genes, something called a Thrifty gene. You see, researchers have found that we have a genetic predisposition, we meaning South Asians, Sri Lankans, Indians. What is this Thrifty gene? It's a genetic adaptation that helps us survive when food is scarce, and we are able to efficiently turn energy into fat that can be stored for future use. So this helps us to survive. It was how our ancestors survived those harsh days. But of course, our modern times, everything has changed. We live in a world where everything is available. Food is available all the time to us. We don't even need to walk to get our food. We even have the ability to call and get food to our doorstep. Coupled with the fact that our modern lifestyle involves a lot of sitting or sedentary lifestyle, where we are working while sitting down, we are playing games while sitting down, and we have entertainment while we are sitting down. So we have a lot of food and we are also very sedentary. So this makes our Thrifty gene work against us, because the Thrifty gene is made to store energy effectively. But when we have excess food and we don't work out, then what happens is this storage of energy in the form of fat makes us obese and also puts us in the track for a lot of metabolic diseases such as diabetes, high blood pressure, fatty liver, heart problems, and strokes, even cancer. So what can we do? Well, that's good news. Knowing this Thrifty gene that we have, and knowing that our life is a mismatch right now in this modern world, we can do a few things. We can start looking at what we do and what we eat and try to see if we can match it up. So how do we start? We don't have to go for some heavy workouts in the gym. We don't have to starve ourselves. We just need to know how much we need as a person doing the activities that we do. So for a start, you could go to our website, Diviya, and check what your basal metabolic rate. In the website, you can calculate your basal metabolic rate. This tells us how much energy you need, how much calories do you need to do your day-to-day activity according to what you are doing right now. So from there, you can then either talk to a dietitian or work out a eating plan so that you balance your eating calories towards what you're actually doing. This is the starting point. Seems easy, right? It is easy actually if you put your mind to it. And the other thing you can do is track what you do and what you eat. There are enough apps in your phone, and some people have even fitness apps on their wristwatch. One very simple one is MyFitnessPal. It's very simple. You can add what you eat into the app, and it can tell you exactly how many calories you have taken. And you can also add the activities that you do, and then you can see whether you are matching and whether you are having a calorie deficit. So after doing this simple tracking, you can further tweak your diet and exercise. As far as your eating habits goes, you can start looking at your traditional recipes, the food that you like, and see how you can make healthy swaps. For example, instead of white rice, maybe you can go for red rice. And instead of frying your foods, maybe you can go for grilling or sauteing, and seeing how you can eliminate oil, sugar, and salt and excess fat in your diet. And also important to look at the portion size. You may like a certain food, but definitely you can reduce the amount that you take of that food. So cutting down on the portion size is another way to improving your healthy journey. And then looking at what other activities you can do, reducing the sitting time. So if you're at work and you've sat for more than half an hour, you can just stand up. Just the action of standing up is better than continuing to sit. And if you took a quick walk around the office, get a glass of water and come back to your office, you would have done a few steps and burned a few calories too. So it's simple enough to try and change all of these things, even at your workplace or at your home. So remember everyone, we have the Thrifty genes, which was our survival technique in the past, but we can use it to our advantage in our modern living. So call us if you want more information on healthy tips. We can also come to your workplace and conduct a workplace wellness seminar and workshop.